Okay, we've got a boat here coming in. Looks like they just turned and the engine conked out just as they got here. So they're all trying to paddle in. So we'll see what happens. They're about, I don't know, 10 meters, 15 meters out, and it stopped. So turn it round. I don't know whether they've hit maybe. Did they hit a rock? Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe they hit a rock under the water and it's knocked the motor out. So. One guy's going to go in, maybe pull the boat in. It's fairly shallow there. There you go. Yeah, okay. Up, up. There they go. They're going to try and pull the boat, I think. Yeah, okay. That's it, they're going to try, they're pulling it in now. Fair play.
Good.
There is children in the middle, I can see a little girl. Yeah, there you go, here you go. Bravo, bravo.
Bravo, bravo.
Bravo. Bravo. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Thank you very much.
There you go. Take it easy because there's a lot of stones in the water. Take it easy.
Sir,
Okay.
do you have the number of the coast guard?
We'll talk to you in a minute. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. He's doing a selfie over there already, someone. They're not even out in the boat and they're doing a selfie. Yeah. They're Syrians. So,
Good morning.
morning, how are you? Okay? Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, how you doing? Okay. Up, 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 up. Okay. Oh, take it easy, my friend.
Go. Fuck you.
Oh, hey, come on, man. Give us back. No, that's stupid. You're here and
You lie, man.
Obviously, he didn't want to be filmed. So. Some of them, they're stressed out all night coming across on the boats and stuff, and so. And now they're stabbing the boat. Trying to stab the boat. I think when they came in, they hit the rocks and the engine got knocked off the back. It's in the water there somewhere. Someone's gone out to look for it. And trying to get it out of the water because of the oils. Okay, we're going to go up and get him some water.
وين الشلتاي؟
No, it's four to
To
Mollybot. Yeah. Oh no, to Mollybot. Yeah, 7.
7 kilometres.
7. Yeah.
How
Yeah.
long would they walk?
God.
So I'll just say 7 kilometres because that
Yeah.
sounds better
7.
than...
Yeah. Okay, we're There's a baby here somewhere, a little tiny one I see. She's okay? Okay. This little one. Excuse me, can I film the baby? Can I film this one? Okay, look at this one. Got his dummy as well. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Oh, she's gorgeous. Bravo. Nice. There you go. Oh, Mum, she's going to cry. Okay, we're going to get some water and we'll deal with that. Okay. Okay, I'll speak to you later. All the best, bye.